Two F-35B Lightning II jets landed aboard Italian aircraft carrier its Cavour, CVH 550, on January 3, 2021. Test pilots flew the specially instrumented US F-35Bs from Naval Air Station Patuxent River, Pax River, Maryland, to the Italian Navy flagship, which got underway Sunday, February 28. The F-35B is the short takeoff and vertical landing variant of the F-35. The pilots and aircraft join a test team of approximately 180 personnel from the Pax River-based F-35 Integrated Test Force, ITF, embarked for up to 4 weeks of sea trials. Our team has trained extensively to prepare for this day, and I was honored to land one of the first 2 jets aboard Cavour, said F-35B test pilot U.S. Marine Major Brad Lehman, the ITF test team project officer. Major Lehman and 2 other pilots attached to the Naval Air Warfare Center Aircraft Division, now CAD, Air Test and Evaluation Squadron 2-3, the X-23 at Pax River, will fly the ITF jets during the flight test. The ITF plays a key role in the ship achieving carrier qualification in the near future, Lehman said. All of our hard work, planning and training will ensure a successful sea trial and ultimately lead to Italy achieving the milestone of initial operating capability. Today's milestone, or Pietra Miliare, was the landing of the F-35Bs aboard Cavour. It is a remarkable achievement for all of us, today, to see the 5th-generation fighter aircraft on our flight deck, said its Cavour commanding officer Italian Navy Captain Giancarlo Ciappina. This represents, indeed, an outstanding success but, at the same time, a new challenge for the future of Italian naval aviation. Each and every officer and the whole crew are very proud to work closely with the F-35 Joint Program Office test team during these sea trials. And we are very well prepared to do the hard work to equip its Cavour and the Italian Navy with the Joint Strike Fighter's 5th-generation air combat capability, Ciappina said. With the pilots and jets on board, the test team will now collect data that will ultimately lead to the ship's officers and crew's ability to safely conduct carrier operations with Italy's own F-35s. We are excited to be underway with the crew of Cavour and honored to contribute to the aircraft carrier achieving the Italian Navy's strategic goal of it being ready for operations, said Andrew Mock, F-35 Pax River ITF Chief Test. Mock is embarked with a team, whose members have the engineering and test pilot expertise and experience to conduct F-35B envelope expansion flight test. We look forward to a phenomenally successful shipboard detachment, he said.